Ay, kalawi, gid ako. Cat elevators here. Going to rent the Taiwanese national costume today. Hopefully, we could do that. This is Kaohsiung by day. We are at the Shenzhen area. Xianjin area. Xian. Sorry, I don't really speak Chinese. So, this is it by day. Tauhay lang. We're going to the MRT. Cute siya iya, dog. I think that's na nakita. Pa sila yakat to our book stand. Ganyan ang mga buildings. Though Hong Kong buildings lang, no? Galing kang namin, lang gid ang streets. Though ka-wide ang streets nila. We found a stamp here at station number 10. KRT. Ano nga station name ka? Weiwing. So, that's the stamp. Landscape siya. There you go. So, if you're collecting stamps, meron. Hindi kami collector ng stamps. We just found a random paper. I-cut mo na lang tapos start collecting na lang. I-cut and paste sa imong notebook. I'm not sure. Clutter. Amo man ako yan. Ako actually, yung mugin na yung ginakan ko, kada hindi ko mag-collect sa mga amo na kay dugang clutter. So we're still at the MRT, 12 o'clock na. Wala pa kami na-accomplish for the day. Still figuring it out. Weiwuying station. So Weiwuying kita? Subong.
At Weiwuying station. Going to take bus, yellow
bus. Yellow 2 bus to take us to the Grand Hotel where we are going to rent out the traditional Taiwanese costume called, what do you call that one? Qipao. Yeah, that one. Hindi na ako nakabalong mag-pronounce. Katawhay, gadya kay biskan sa MRT, do wala tawo. Ay, galing. And to think it's a Saturday. Mas depleting. Ano na siya ka? Population. So we're just outside Weiwuying Station and ang ganda nito. That's Weiwuying Station. That is the Kaohsiung National Center for the Arts, right across the Weiwuying Station. And we're still here at the bus stop, waiting for yellow 2A buses. Desafio kita. Desafio kami, nakabalo kami. But we're actually lost here. No, we're figuring it out. Not yet lost. So, we have arrived at the hotel. We are now at the Grand Hotel. Para information. So we came here at the Grand Hotel to rent out. Pero walang masyadong selections. Walang masyadong selections dun sa dress ng yung traditional yung kanilang traditional costume. Walang masyadong selections, and the ones that I like could not be rented out because nasuot siya ng mannequin. So we decided not to push through with it anymore. The Grand Hotel looks like from the outside. Sobra siyang grand. And it has fountain. That is the Grand Hotel. Food has arrived.
Beef.
It comes with soup. And this is called a char-grilled US beef served with veggies and risotto. Supposed to be risotto rice, di ba, Kat? So, yep. Let's eat because it's already 2 p.m. And the last meal was the croissant nung 9 o'clock pa. Vibrant. Some colors. So we're going to the lake, passing through at the back of Grand Hotel. The Grand Hotel over here. More flowers. According dun sa isang Pinay na aming na-meet dito sa hotel, pwede daw pumunta ng lake through this part. 100 NTD, Kat. So parang merong footbridge, this one, na nice din. So I don't know how far the lake is here from here, pero let's trust na merong lake talaga dito na maganda according to the local and worth the hike, worth the lakad. The park volunteer safety, no dogs allowed in the park. Please report where it is. That's the Baroque English Kat is talking about.
The Baroque English is close. 1650. Okay, I got it. 750, go around.
Ha? Amo na ang meme ta for the day. Gets mo na ya, Kuya Ga. Ha? Galoding pa. At ang daming nag-walking. Look at that. Yan na yung lake. And merong passageway. Parang bridge in between. Ang ganda, ang serene. Siyempre, lake.
Oh, hi lang.
Marami lang.
Okay.
So this is called Sheshing. The Chensing Lake. Just at the back of, oh yeah, Aragali, oh. That's the Grand Hotel at the back, over there. Can you see it? There. Magkanami, katawhay lang. There. Following that couple. Tapos, that's the side. With all the pine trees lining the lake.
Anyway, exit na TikTok. I don't want to go back.
Di nang exit tao. Di kagalibot sila, Kat? Seryo?
Dati may exit na diwa sa
Ang problema, ito sa hotel, ang bus. Kasi ano oras sa tatukwaon? So, if ever you're in Kaohsiung and you have the time to visit the lake, this is worth visiting. You think so, Kat? Ako man. Recommended. Okay, very serene, relaxing. Tapos, it's not too far man. Remind me to bring my shades tomorrow. And to think, ginlatag ko pa tanan-tanan yung mga things ko sa bed.
Me and my small umbrella.
Weightless umbrella. Very minimal. 0.001.
Goodbye in Japan. From 7-Eleven.
0.001 grams. No, 0.001. 100 grams lang guro na, Kat. Very madam na madam ka da. With all the shades. Tapos naka-umbrella ka pa, red lipstick. Very madam.
No, the sun's rays, you know. We don't have extra sunscreen.
Oh my God! Super init. Tapos ang daguob is
real.
yes.
Kung mag-ulan pa, natanay mo siya.
Siyempre, hindi ta magsulay sa ulan, Kathleen, ha, please. Hindi hopefully makasakay na ta. Ari siya. These are actually bee. Ari ka to. See that one? Stingless bee ni Gorokat. Look at that. Interesting.
这一款我爸爸啊，
我爸比较习惯
这
了。
我爸爸这种是巴黎名，法国没算巴黎人啦。阿德即摆上解好了，阿德这嘛就是，那灰粉就是香。
Go pa.
Kathleen knows, or at least understands,
Context clues.
context clues. Chinese.
And barok English.
So that's a very good. So if you're in a Chinese speaking country, bring a friend who understands at least the Baroque English once. Because nagloading ako nung sinabi ng ate na 16:30 close. And 15, ano to ba niya, Kat?
16:30
16:30
close. And then
17.
17:30.
Go around. She got it right away. Ako loading. Kat, pwede taguro ka pa picture. Kat, here. This guy has a llama. Buhi na, guys. Hello. Is that part of the store, Kat? Huh? Hello. 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 This is a school. Ang ganda lang. Ang ganda ng school. Wenhua. This is Wenhua Elementary School. Look at those buildings. Ang ganda ng art sa mga facade ng buildings. Hanggang doon. Nice, nice. Ay, kalawi, gid ako. Ay, lang nga, picture lang. We're buying nectards.
好吃的蛋挞，来看看哦。
What flavor is this
好吃的蛋
one?
挞，来看看哦。
Caramel? What is this?
好吃的
flavor?
蛋挞，来看看哦。
This is egg tart.
好吃的蛋挞，来看看哦。好吃的蛋挞，来看看哦。好吃的蛋挞，来看看哦。好吃的蛋挞，好吃的蛋挞，来看看哦。好吃的蛋挞，来看看哦。
3 for 100.
好，好吃的蛋挞，来看看哦。
They have this station. It's so cool. Oh, Kat, wait lang gid ka. We are at the Gongyan beef noodle shop, and it's full house. Closing time na siya. 8 o'clock siya mag-close. And hopefully makakain pa kami. Soup noodles. We're seated here. Outside table. We made it to the noodles shop. Named, what do you call it? Gangyeon beef noodle shop. Kasi we found this last night. Naghahanap kami ng food. And turns out, magka-close sila ng 8 p.m. So, from the Lavtier station, brisk walking kami ni Kathleen. Instant exercise! But we made it here. It's compact. You have to queue. Itong line na to, medyo mahaba yan when we arrive. You have to queue first, then you order ka, and they will seat you. They will find you a seat. So kami, nasa labas na kami. Kasi full house sila. It's a Saturday. And And we're waiting for our food now. Kasi sobrang daming magagandang reviews. They got into some food list in 2023 and 2019. Nakita ko doon sa kanilang window. So I hope the food is good. Our food is here. We ordered the same. It's beef noodle soup. Reference kay Kathleen, that's how big it is. Yan. Not as big as the ones that we had in Taipei. Is it nice? We can just following the lines on your cheeks. Baby, in your absence, life is boring. So I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side. Shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights. Living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love. Oh, oh. Easier to love. Oh, oh. It's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel it from miles away. The light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side. Shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights. Living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love. Oh, oh. Easier to love. Oh, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift it from me. If I find myself in necklaces, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality. Nothing like your smile in the morning. Following the lines on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring. So I'll never leave. It's easier to love. Oh, oh. It's easier to love. Oh, oh. Easier to love. Oh, oh. Easier to love. This is still the Love River. And pwede kang mag-cruise. Hi to the bear! So, nag-cross na naman tayo ng river. Ano may river? Pero talagang may river. This brings back the memories of Osaka ba yun, Kat? Or Fukuoka? Pinapakross kami ng river tapos hindi namin alam kung saan yung river. But here we are! crossing Love River in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. Ah, guapa. Basta mo ning nakunan ko nga ang Love River, Kunokat, is actually 10 kilometers pakadto. So, ang pabalik is another 10 kilometers kuno. Muna nga kadamo, isang dagan diri. These are the guys kanina. Nagwe-wave kami. Okay. I bought this from, thank you very much. Basta I bought this from an MRT. Oh, thank you very much. It egg tarts na iba-ibang flavor. This is, I think, caramel. Na hindi siya sure kung caramel. Hindi sinasagot ni Kuya ang aking tanong kung caramel.
Can you speak in broken English?
Caramel? Muna na siya. This is chocolate, I think. And I was trying that. Galing ka, wala agad siya reply. And this one is the regular egg tart. Nakauna ta? Paano ta ni ko nun? Joke, dali na eh. Yeah, ara na nag-move na siya kat. There you go. Let's eat, let's eat. Amo na siya iyang cross-section. Wala talaga amo na, oh. Nang iba ka din, hindi ko kabalo kung anong flavor. Diba? Hindi mo ma-decipher kung caramel or coffee.
Yeah.
Ako ne? And you got milk tea?
Sweet on this.
Yeah, it's not sweet. And the crust,
What?
it's not as flaky.
Feeling ko,
Coffee.
what battery?
Yeah, it's buttery. Pero not flaky nga ano. Hindi siya ano na gani ang dough na balang pastry dough. Pastry dough. Hindi siya pastry dough. Dough pie dough, pie crust lang, 'di ba? Right, not pastry dough nga puff pastry. The coffee, caramel. Here's yours.
Thank you. Marina, thanks.
Because actually, nag-ano ko kay mag-egg tart kay na-miss ko ang makeup. Kamot. Nasong egg.
Normal egg. Tart.
Pero evident, dito lang sabi lang egg. No? Egg tart, dito yung egg. Magbala, magiging na egg. Not too sweet again. The chocolate. Hopefully tama ako, it's chocolate. Cut off. Cross section. chocolate with Jakarta, as in chocolate. Okay lang. Not so... Pero amoy siya chocolate, pero ang flavor niya, kung kanon mo na, not so chocolate. Again, not too sweet. No? Wala ang flavor na doon.